But I'm going back to playing KSP. I want to play KSP. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to play KSP. So I'm going to flip us back over to Kerbal. And we're going to keep working with our bizarro landing legs that we're working with right now. So let's do it. I'll switch us back over to Kerbal. Let's do this. Hey Nick, 40 month resub. Thanks, man. Alright, we're going to be playing Kerbal for the rest of the night. So how about we get the appropriate space tunes? Then we go from here. Yeah, fellas, I took Tarkov out of the rotation. Guys, like, look, I don't hate playing Tarkov. It's a fun game, but just getting clobbered by people is really freaking annoying. I just didn't feel like getting clobbered by people all the time. So maybe when they wipe it, we'll go back and play it. But also another thing to note is that the numbers don't lie. You guys freaking hated it. Everyone here hated it. Don't lie. Don't lie. You hated it. I get it. So let's play Kerbal then. Hopefully you don't hate this. Quick summary of objective in designing our rapid landing legs. I'm trying to see what is the most reliable and what can be reused the most. Right now, I'm prototyping hybrid tech into my rocket design. Yeah, Peg, just wasn't for me. Maybe when they wipe, we'll go and play again. But railroads tomorrow? Perhaps. So, check this out. Watch this. Did you watch Kenobi? Nope. Haven't watched it yet, dude. Okay. Ready? Good start. One of them worked. The other ones did not. I'm trying to get the landing legs to work kind of like Falcon 9's, dudes, but it's just... In order to do that, I need this hinge to lock, and it doesn't want to lock. And 3 out of 4 of the legs malfunction. So, you know, that's good. Not to be a downer because this is cool, but maybe try simple static legs. Wow, that was quick. No, I'm going to see this through, and we'll actually see if it's a viable pathway. Some solutions might be harder to engineer than others, Hip. I know static legs are going to work. Yeah, I want to try and explore this, because with static legs, I mean... you know what, I'll be honest with you, I really don't want to do that. I really don't. I don't want to do it. Let's go back over here. Yeah, I don't really want to do it that way. I want to find a solution that I think is the best, and you got to remember, we can't just kick the bucket. Oh, EJ, this isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. I saw it. No, I want to see it through. Let's see if it works how we want it to. Cyborg, not sure if you've seen this. The shuttle solids at the US Space and Rocket Center are... I know they're ASRBs, but... Oh. So much potential. So much goddamn potential. They're carbon fiber SRBs, man. The ASRB would have been a good idea. It's what they're doing. They want to do with SLS right now. Fucking annoying. Yeah. Why not just use Condor 9's landing legs? Because Condor 9's landing legs don't work all the time because they can separate from the vehicle. I'm trying to eliminate that problem. The engine section is still intact. know what? Get rid of these. I want to get rid of those struts. I just had those struts there to make it look like they were landing legs. Guys, in reality, this is... there are parts floating in 3D space here, but all the landing legs are connected together. But it's just like the very end of the landing leg and the hinge. So I just put those struts there to make it look right, but something tells me that those are screwing it up. But we'll test it right now. See what I'm talking about? Hey, Poseidon. Good evening. Thank you for the bits. See what I mean? Hip, did you see that? Look, they opened just fine that time. I'm telling you, those struts, the cubic octags, like with the struts that outline the shape of the landing legs, made it act all wonky. Hey, Leglander, what's going on? Won't the dual piston drift? Maybe, probably not. I mean, it might. It really depends. Let's try it again. Oh, it hates us. Okay. We had 3 out of 4 that time. Yeah, I mean, Hellfish, I'm not entirely sure how that helps me try to flesh out this current idea, but I mean, spitball as you see fit, I suppose. Gotta stay focused on one thing at a time, dude. If we go and sit here and say, oh, well, you know, I can do this, and this doesn't finish this idea any faster. I want to try to get this idea as reliable as possible, so we can figure out what the best way is. Weren't you the bozo that said we should prototype wrap a bunch of different systems? Gotta figure this one out, dude. I know, Hip. I understand that. See what I just said to Hellfish. Yeah. I'm seeing which way I like the best. This is complicated. I probably won't end up doing this with the reliability that I'm seeing here, but I want to see every idea through, because you never know. We might figure out something new. That's all I'm saying. Incorporate fins with landing gears to remove component. Add components to remove other components. It worked. Huh. Okay. Yeah, the concept is here. It works. That works. This will do it. I'm just thinking, like, yeah, with some struts in the right spots to the hinge right there, this will work really, really well. Because the problem that I'm seeing the most from this hinge design is that these are popping out. These hinges pop out. It's most likely from the force from these things being extended too quickly. But it does work. But the folding up mechanism didn't really work how I wanted it to either. So, I don't know. Why not use regular landing legs? Because I hate regular landing legs. That's a great way to blow something up. How you tested before doubling up thermos? What? Have you tested doubling up before doubling up the thermos? No, no. Okay. I'm trying to really think how much it would take to dial this thing in. I think there's a couple of hierarchy things here and there that would dial this in. But yeah, I mean, like, I know everybody was saying this already. I get it. There are easier ways to make this thing land. Use 2 of those long door hinge. Oh boy, yeah. No. Chat influencing engineering decisions. Tell me what I should and shouldn't do, Louiso, because that worked a lot to my benefit in the past, right? Oh, wait, no, it didn't. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I'll have to think this one over. I mean, is static gears, landing fins an advantage in this particular design? I don't know. I'm not sure, Sanjay. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah. This one does seem to be working, but I think I need to mess with the hinges a little bit. Here, let me go in here like this. All right. Let's do this. Go in here like this. And I'll show you what I'm thinking. I'm going to run struts from the center of the hinge to those, and then I'll do my outlying struts like what I had before. And we'll see if this actually strengthens this design up. I think it will. That went a lot quicker than the other one. Just going to do a little bit of trick work and hide these struts in here like that. Then I learned about trick photography. Never used trick photography. I mean, Hellfish, you're talking about slowing the deployment speed. We can do that. That's fine. At least I think. But I still think it's binding because of the way I have these things hierarchically set up. There. That should do it. So now I should just move these down in there like that. Yeah, that's trick, dude. That's frickin' trick there, guy. Jim, you seeing this? It's frickin' piss a guy. All right, let's see if this holds stuff together a little better. Yeah. Perhaps a single test rig with a single leg to figure out the binding or lack thereof. 4x symmetry is basically doing the same thing. Might as well test all four. I also look because sometimes there's symmetry incongruencies. I've noticed that sometimes putting stuff in symmetry doesn't work. The game, for whatever reason, thinks that all different parts scale differently, etc., etc. Like sometimes putting robotics in 4x symmetry really makes the game hate you. For whatever reason. Alright, ready? Stay together. See what I mean? See how every leg did something different? Every leg did something that was slightly different, but they're all perfectly symmetrical. Sometimes symmetry doesn't symmetry right, especially if you're using robotics. That's what I was trying to say, but before my brain decided to. I'm trying to dust the cobwebs off of getting in the habit of engineering something every day, SSTO style, because I want to get Project Ares working. I want it working. Nice stash. Thanks, man. I want to get this frickin' working, man. I want to get this. Man. Oh. Was? Don't bind up. Please stop. No! That's not what you should have done. Why did you... You were supposed to extend the legs, not retract them. I loved you, Legakin. I loved you like a brother. When will you learn, Anakin? Leglerkin. Legurkin. God damn it, man. Stop. Luiso, box. No, stay out! Stay out, please! What the frick you frickin' doing, you stupid? No, box. No, don't box. Pain. Spain minus the S. How many bonus points do you think Anakin got for all the younglings? Ugh. Master Plan! Luiso de Master Plan! Alright. I think these are causing problems because of the fairing. Let's take those off. Master Plan. Planala. You need a kinematics engineering handbook now, too. Why do you think I wanted to keep pushing with hybrid tech, dude? Because there's potential here. Guys, that thing... Fellas, this is opening exactly like Falcon 9's. It is the same. That is the... We emulated it. It's just hard to see because there's no landing legs. The landing legs are just an outline with some struts. But I've emulated Falcon 9's opening almost exact, which is pretty cool. The potential... There is potential here. What I'm kind of hoping is that by doing this, I can figure out a better way to do it. Master Plan. Interesting. I don't know, Prey. I can't figure that one out. You should write a book on KSP building technique and hierarchy. I thought about making YouTube videos into that. Yeah. All right. Hey Sanchai, did you see that Ericsson won the Marcus Ericsson won the Indy 500? Just on a side note, you reminded me. When are you gonna start playing mission mode again? I don't know. When I feel like it. Yeah, I'm building this rocket for mission mode, guys. That's the whole point. I'm using the undocking force, Luiso, to push it out. Yo, the Swede actually won? Yeah, man. He had a Ronnie Peterson helmet, which is... It's pretty Viking. That's pretty Viking. It's pretty cool. Freaking happy for him, man. He drove F1 in the past. For Sauber. Yep. Mm-hmm. Last 5, dude. So good, Bright. I wanted to talk about racing during Space News, but I'll just talk about it here for a second. Guys, we had 3 insanely good races. All right? That Monaco race, despite Ferrari screwing up badly, was one of the funnest Monaco races that I've ever watched. I will say that right now. Okay? That was fun, dude. We had rain, we had all pit strategy, we had red flags, we had... It was crazy. It was just crazy. And then the Indy 500, man. Oh, the last 5 laps were so sick. Weaving in and out down the straights. And Pato trying to catch him. Oh, it was so good. Oh, so good. And then the Coca-Cola 600 was one of the best Coca-Cola 600s I've ever watched. The NASCAR race was awesome. It was the longest NASCAR race ever recorded. It was awesome. Cars are flying around, spinning, flipping over. It was great. There's 3 great races, man. They were awesome. All right, ready? Let's bring her up like this, and then let's do a little bit of this. Don't bind up on me. Oh, the damn servos again. Okay. I worked on a machine with a similar movement, and the cylinder started a little extended and retracted slightly at the start of rotation. Not sure if that helps. Okay. And Gasly kicked in the Euro beat for 3 laps. Yeah. When he was up, when they put him on the hards, he was skidding around the corners. It was nuts, dude. Dude, it was nuts. That was one of the craziest race weekends I've ever watched. It was fantastic, and I did watch all 3 races. I was at a family event, and everybody's outside having, family gets together, right? Everybody's outside having a barbecue. I'm sitting in the living room going, this is awesome! Sitting in the living room yelling at the television, pass him, Pato, pass him, go! I wanted Pato to win. You fell asleep about halfway through the Monaco race? Yeah. Alright, so 10% doesn't work. Let's try 50. I said 50 strength, not 49 and a half. It's just awesome, dude. Just awesome racing. Really fun. Oh, nice, Brian. You got pictures of the F-30. Oh. This makes me feel feelings. That... Ryan, this makes me feel feelings that... wow. That is... Those are nice. I really like what's going on here. Yep. Yeah, yeah. I really appreciate what you're showing me right now. Alright, ready? Hip, are you still here? I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm over it. We could sit here and dial this in until we're dead, until we're blue in the face. So I'm over it. Yep. Okay. I'm over it. I just wanted to mess with a couple more things. Now I'm yeah. Nope. Yeah, I'm over it. Well, yeah, I don't want to do that anymore. It seems to be better without the struts. Yeah, but those struts are going to need to be there. They do bind. Okay, we got one mechanism fleshed out. We got one mechanism fleshed out that we know works. Okay? So we will take this. Project Ares. MLV first stage flip leg concept. F9 style landing legs. Yeah, Farm, I'm trying to use them as a damping force, but they just don't. Is this thing really 278 parts? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's 278 parts. Nah. Nah. Alright, we have it saved as a subassembly, but yeah, I'm over it. This was a cool idea, and we could probably hone it in and get it working, but yeah, I think we can do better. We got an Elon tweet. Next time, we gotta do it when there's a fully stacked starship there. Elon says that there's a fully stacked starship. Fully stacked starship will only be a few weeks away. All Raptor 2 engines needed for first orbital flight are complete and being installed. Pray. It's an unpopular opinion, but I think they've been in GSE hell for the past 6 months. That's why I think nobody at SpaceX cares if the FAA increases the PAA. I think the PAA and Starship development are more intertwined than one might think. I think they're getting all the kinks out of the system right now, if you really want my honest opinion. With that being said, you're probably right. They're probably still going to have more problems because building launch pads is a pain in the butt. Yeah. If factor of difficulty in building a rocket in KSP is scalable to actually engineering a rocket in real life, then launch pads are infinitely more complicated. Like, I can only imagine. I know how difficult it is to make a rocket in real life, and I know how difficult it is to make a well-engineered rocket in KSP. That factor difference right there, first of all, it's a logarithmic difference. It'll just keep going. It gets really, really difficult, especially when you go to build super heavy vehicles in real life. Now, with that being said, I know the relationship of difficulty between building a launch vehicle in KSP and building a good pad for it. I've never even bothered to try and see what it takes to build an actual pad in real life, but I'm going to go ahead and guess that it's all correlatable. And building pads must really suck. That must be difficult. It has to be difficult. Especially pending any design changes and then revalidation. I agree. Yeah, I think that, yeah, they're scaling off of each other. Yeah, kick the FAA in the butt. Yeah, I don't think that's what's going on as much as we want it to be what's going on. But yeah. Anyway. Right, Phil? Building it is one thing. Running the system all up with the farm and shipside GSE, we're going to see a lot of scrub static fires in the summer. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So, folder legs. Kinda worked, kinda didn't. There you go, Bryce. Building pads is hard, man. What if we just landed it in the drink? That'd be hard to do, Rage. I can land it intact in the water. The problem is that initial dunk, the thing springs back up and then it falls into the water sideways. I can do it. It's hard to get it right. What do you want to try now? I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure. I don't know what I want to do. In before GSC side methane leak on Starship Kappa. Oh, you're killing me. You're killing me. Don't do that. Don't say that out loud, man. Damn. Alright, let's see. What do we want? We could try a fixed landing leg solution. It could work. Why not work from most static leg to more and more complex leg mechanism? I don't know. Let me think. How about deployable floats 2/3 of the way up? Yeah, it's hard to make floats in this game, McConnell. Dude, not a bad idea. I'll tell you what. If my first stage was one of these, if my first stage was one of those bad mamma jammas, I absolutely would. Yeah. It would work just like the SRBs in real life. That would be really fun. Realistically, how stable can you get this sucker when you're coming in? Because a vehicle this big is going to be coming in at an angle and really fast. I can get it within 50-meter deviation by myself, Prey. Yeah. I have a lot of experience with boost back and landing, dude. Yeah. I can fly her in manually. No problem. The more and more I think about this, fellas, the more and more I think a fixed landing leg solution is probably what we want. Now, the real question is, do we do this like Neutron? Do we do it... The fixed solution with Neutron could work. Have you tried a Starship-type landing gear where they flip out from the bottom? I don't have the right type of engine section for that, Matt. I have not tried something like it where it'll, like, flip inwards like this and then out. We could do something like that. I just... Mine would have to flip out and in because I can't make them flip out like this. Not accurately side slip and awkward landing angles. Not accurately to what? To me being able to land it? Oh, I can land it. I could get this thing back onto the pad. Not my pad. Like I mean like that thing. See that thing? I could land it back on there. I've done it. I've done it. I've done drone ship landings with Condor before. BFR tri-fins, but static. No. Ah. I mean, this could work. I'm just... It'll work, guys. Yeah, it'll work. I mean... Actuating landing gear is always going to be an issue since any off angle will generate asymmetric body forces as the legs deploy, causing them to deploy at various speeds, or as we saw sometimes with Condor, one side mysteriously fall off or lock out. I know, Rocket, I know. I don't know, dude. mean, Rocket Guy, we can work with this. This is an idea that Grab Shark actually had that was kind of similar. Let's keep going with it. Let me flesh this out a little bit more. Kind of looks like crap, fellas. You like it, Alan or Andrew? Excuse me. You like it? Andrew, I don't know, man. This looks like a easy up 10, and it's just it looks like an easy up 10, dudes. There's always another solution. Hey, Ray, what's going on, man? Thanks for the raid, dude. You guys know my buddy Paul Scambates. If you don't, well, I'll tell you. If you like seeing people get scam-baited, Ray's your guy. He literally spends his whole stream screwing with scammers. Oh, God, does that make me happy? It's pretty damn funny, actually. It makes me laugh, man. What's going on, Motor Paul Scambates? What's up, dude? Thanks for the raid, fellas. It works. We know it works. What are you doing? The flying cigarette. Please no. Please no. Anyway, Ray, what's going on, man? No? You guys don't like that? You don't like the tourist ring? Alright, never mind. What is that? I made a booster that had a ring that wrapped around the base of the rocket, and then I used that to fly the booster back like an airplane. It worked. It worked. Yeah, the flying cigarette, man. I should have pictures of it somewhere. Here, I'll show you. Anyway, what's up, Scambaits Raiders? Paul, Ray, what were you up to today? Whose day were you ruining? Is that it? Well, I was able to spy on a scammer when he connected, well, he connected to your machine. That's pretty funny. I'm trying to find a picture of it, fellas. Where's the... Then I got into a Borgo fight with a young Jamaican scammer. That was hilarious. Oh, jeez. Oh, there it is. Yep. Yeah, it's the first stage. Second stage attaches right there, and then it also turns into an airplane. You could fly it back. See? This one Jamaican scammer has turned over 21 mule victims that I've saved since January. Good, man. That's good. Yeah, see? And then the thing just...
Discovery, go at throttle up.
It just flies back. It flies back and lands. We could always just do a bigger version of that, fellas. 21 elderly victims saved. You're doing God's work, Ray. Thanks for the raid, amigo. Appreciate it. Nice. You bet I always speak very highly of you. You have great content. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Right back at you, buddy. Something like this. Let me see. Yeah, that's a little too Tintin rockety for me. Oh, should have done that. Yeah. Bruh, what's up, 95? I really want the freaking folding legs, dude. I really want them. Are you very bing chilling? Let's try this. I mean, this is kind of what you just linked, Dragon, but we'll see. Maybe it won't look as bad in this type of symmetry, you know? No, I can't do that. I can't do that. It'll screw with the launch plate. Damn it. Tower swing around that beam structure that you just had? Yeah. We could always do the flyback. Flyback could work. I'm just thinking, fellas, if we fly it back, is it going to fly nozzle first? Like, I don't know. Should we try to catch the stupid thing? Like, if... all right. Let's entertain the idea for a second. I mean, I could just put I-beams off the sides of this thing, strut it, and call it a day. I know that'll work. It will. It'll work. I know that'll work. Because I've used that exact mechanism to make a rocket that's way bigger than this land just fine. Neptune. I know it'll work. However, let's just say we wanted to catch this. How would we do it? We're not going to catch it with chopsticks that move with, like, SpaceX style. That's not going to work. Will vertication after landing take a long time? Yes. So how's it going to work? How's this going to do this? Like, how accurate can I actually get this thing? Okay. Let's try something. Shall we? Let's see. How difficult is this for real? Let's go back into our test stand craft file, okay? Let's take away... Well, no, we don't necessarily need to take away that. How would we do this? How would we do this? Well, if I'm trying to make it as accurate as I think I can make it, then yeah. All right. Give me these. Let's just put a basic thruster here. Portal to a turret style. All right. Still can't do a Prime sub on phone when. That sucks. I don't know how to fix that problem. Hey, Caveman, miss me. My roommate's chew toy. My roommate's chew toy decided to bring his Xbox over and install half of Game Pass in one day. Chewed up 1.2 terabytes of monthly data limit in one shot. I haven't had internet in 2 weeks, but I still have the shakes. Oof. Oof. Jesus, man. Yeah, okay, Glendale, I got you. I see what you were saying. I was like, wait, what do you want me to do about this, man? And then I went and reread it. I'm like, I can't fix this. I can fix this, you know? How's the rockets going? We're going to try something crazy here. Is the rocket fueled? I don't know if this craft file has fuel in it. It does. Okay. Hello? You're last. Okay, Jack, what's up? Mid-air docking. Turned 21 yesterday, had Budweiser, tasted like alcoholic water. Budweiser, yeah. Well, hey, happy birthday, bud, but yeah, Budweiser is not. Go get a Sammy or something. And remember, beer is... Okay, dude, the first time you're gonna have beer, it's gonna taste terrible. It's gonna taste horrible. It tastes like, ugh. It's such a bitter taste. It tastes so bad. But keep drinking it. Trust me, it'll eventually taste really good. I don't know what the hell that's about, but. Alright, let's see how close your boy is at this. Anywho, hey, what's going on, Glendale? How are you? I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm going to try to see if I can get this near the pad. Yeah, we're gonna die. Okay. Maybe we won't do it as high that time. But we definitely... That thing definitely needed to slow down more. It may have been because we had too much fuel. So, I'm gonna do a little bit of a different test here. Let's get this thing local to the pad. And let's just assume that I can get the thing near it, right? And I have that tank. This is my residual LOX tank, so to speak. We can... Huh. That's the LOX tank, right? Okay, let's try it this way. I just want to see if I can get this thing even near back to the pad. I got close. I got within 1 kilometer there. We had way too much fuel. I didn't burn off enough fuel when we were up at Apogee. But I did get it close. I got that close, and that was my first time ever trying it. We got within 1 kilometer. And that was a good boost back up to an 84 kilometer Apogee. That was quite high. Yeah, Rocket. We were carrying way too much fuel. I'm telling you, man, I can steer this thing back. I can get it back to the launch site. I'm just trying to see if we can get it accurate enough to where it'll slip into position. You know? So we have a much more realistic-ish fuel load here. Should light the engines here in a second.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Hey, Glendale, there it is. This may have been too much. There you go. I'm just thinking, man. I'm thinking how this is gonna work. Can I get this thing close enough to the freaking pad at all? Like... No. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna rule that one out. It's just not, it's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, Dougie, I'm not 100%, like... You got my final inorganic chemistry exam tomorrow. You can do it. You hit the sack, man. Guys, I think I'm gonna sleep on this, to be honest with you. I like the fold-out legs. I like the telescoping legs. Let me think about this for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna think about it. We'll get back at it tomorrow. I really wanted those fold legs to work, man. I can get them to work. Yeah, guys. Yeah, all right. We're 9 hours deep into the stream. That's fine. Yeah. Okay. I think this is solid. This is a good design, but this is gonna take time. There is one more thing that I actually wanted to mess with, if you guys don't mind. You know what? I'm gonna spend the last bit of the stream messing with this, okay? If you guys don't mind. There's one thing I want to see. If everybody's cool with it. I wanna mess with something. I'll show you what I want to mess with. It's not scope creep. This is just fun, a fun side project. Relax. I'm just checking something that I want to mess with. Okay. It's fun creep. Yeah. 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 Fun. Yeah. Yes. How many hours do I have in Kerbal Grumpy? 15,000 or something? Pretty crazy, man. Two PhDs worth. Yeah. Rocket guy, you think they'll give me a degree for it? Hey, Tweets. What's going on, man? Check something. I just need to check something. What? What?
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Hey, Perlite, 47-month resub. Thanks, dude. Can you explain same vessel interaction and when not to use it? Same vessel interaction activates the hitbox on two parts on one craft. So like if like you want two parts to interact and collide with each other that are on the same ship, you enable same vessel interaction and they'll hit each other. They'll collide with each other like they were two separate ships. What is that thing even attached to in the Oh, okay. Will be more stable with hold downs on the shuttle too. Create a tripod so this gets around separation issues after the shuttle stack construction, huh? I was thinking, Rocket Guy, if I fake a TSM, I make a SLS style TSM for this thing and go right to the external tank. Or we could just go to the shuttle. We're still going to need a stabilization system to hold these things in place. Similar to like the service gantries inside of the VAB, but it could work. And the grip pads will make this, here, I'll show you. The grip pads will make this really work. But the other thing is that I'm not using SRBs in my shuttle design. I just used them because they were a good placeholder. Hey, Sayo, excuse me, sorry. I was absent a few months. Can anyone explain what the hell this thing is? It's a shuttle mobile launcher. JDG, serious question. Not meaning this any rude way. I know you like making the game more challenging. You ever considered putting yourself on a timer with builds? Go read the mission mode rules. Yeah, I've considered it, yes. We've done it. I'm getting back into KSP right now. I don't need a deadline. I won't engineer anything good. I don't want a deadline. Let me put it to you like this. I just want to have some fun. Trying to hang the ET on this rocket guy is doable, but it's difficult. It's doable though. You could do it. Sure, why not? Before you go to bed, opinions on Sunday's events. Sunday's events. The racing? 3 good races, man. Very rare that you see 3 good races like that. Cool, just wondering. I totally forgot about mission mode. Bye, Ben. It's all good, dude. Yeah, I know you just wondered. Yeah, mission mode, man. I put myself on deadlines. But I have to be on my game to do it, man, or else I'm just gonna kill more Kerbals, and then you guys will never stop giving me crap about it. So I am going to make sure that my engineering skills are kind of up to snuff. That's why I'm just having some fun, dude. I gotta make sure I gotta hone in, dude. I haven't played in 6 months. Gotta practice again. Gotta get to where I was at. I gotta get to the level of engineering that I was at with the SSTO minus the explosion part. So just give me a couple weeks, dude. We'll pop back into it. That. And I'll be honest, JD, this might have a little bit more to do with it than I care to admit, but I'm trying to keep Kerbal low stress right now. Just because of house stuff, dude. I'm trying to keep it low stress. I'm just trying to have some fun. I mean, look at me, dude. I'm just trying to, like, look, I look like I got punched in the face. Just trying to keep it a little low stress. That's all, my guy. Yeah. Just have some fun. That's gonna end real good. They're not colliding. It's very strange. That's strange. Yeah, Checo did good, Squall. He did. Checo did good. I mean, Ferrari kind of handed him a victory. But, That ain't his fault. That ain't his problem, dude. Is it? It ain't his problem. That ain't his problem. He did a good job. I'm happy for him, dude. You know, I'm not. Now that Ferrari's competitive again, I'll admit I'm not the biggest Red Bull fan, but I like calling Red Bull fans piss drinkers, and Red Bull is piss drink. Good job, piss drink. Way to win the race. But I like Checo. Checo's good, man. A win is a win. You're damn right it is. Hey, you can't say that. You can't say that about piss drink. Hey, fight you. I will. And you'll lose. Look at this mustache. You'll lose. Okay, man, got robbed again. Yeah. Haas has a lot of, you could say Haas has a lot of pieces to pick up. Alright, man, good talk. Bye. Right about a second, I'm leaving. I don't even drink Red Bull, and yeah, you're right. I do. I do. That's the funny part. Yeah, I do. I piss drink. Anyway, so that works. It could work. We could do it. Just wanted to see. Anyway, guys, yeah, all right. I think I'm going to call it for the night. I hope you enjoyed Kerbal Back on Tuesdays. Tomorrow, we're, I don't know. You guys want to play something else? You want to keep playing KSP? You tell me. What? Okay. Do what makes you happy. All right. Let's play KSP some more tomorrow. Yeah. Or we could play Flight Sim. I was thinking Flight Sim on Fridays. Flight Sim Fridays would be good. I think we should play Kerbal during the week because you get stuff done. I really got to figure out how to make some landing legs for that. Some good landing legs that don't suck. We'll mess with it more tomorrow. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I do appreciate it. Put in how long did we go? We go 9 hour 15. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, that's a little bit on the shorter side to me, but you know. If you do want your Tarkov fix, let's go see what Taradra's up to. We all know you're going to say KSP again tomorrow right now. No, I don't feel like playing railroads. The last time we played and I tried to explain what I wanted to do like 6 or 7 times in a row, left a pretty bad sour taste in my mouth. Just don't feel like playing it, dude. Straight up.